I decided to do some finesse fishing. Finesse fishing with Danny over at Cross Baits. He makes a knuckleball, guys, that's phenomenal. And I'm gonna show y'all what kind of fish you can catch on a knuckleball, hopefully today. Naturally, some days, guys, finesse is the only way to go. I like to take that knuckleball and get it down and let it slowly sink and fish the bottom. And if you'll fish it slow, a lot of times, wow, there he is. Yep, there we go. Boy, you can't ask for better than that in a video. All right, guys, so the knuckleball with Mr. Danny. Guys, if y'all don't use cross baits and these knuckleballs, I assure you you're missing out, guys.